sharing routing geometry. In this task, we create shrink-wrap features in the piping scale.prt. Disable all datum display types. Click Settings in the model tree and select Tree Filters. In the Model Tree Items dialog box, select the Features checkbox under Display and click OK. Load piping-specific configuration options. Click File Options. Click Configuration Editor in the Creo Parametric Options window. Select Import Configuration File from the Import-Export drop-down menu. Click Working Directory. Select Piping config.pro and click Open. Click OK in the Creo Parametric Options dialog box. Click No in the Creo Parametric Options message window. If necessary, expand the piping.asm in the model tree. Select Piping Scale.prt in the model tree. Right-click and select Activate, then observe the model tree as shown. In the ribbon, click Shrink Wrap from the Get Data group. Click Subset in the Shrink Wrap dashboard. Select Base.prt from the component listing. Right-click and select Ignore. Expand Vessel Sub.asm in the component listing. Select the second Vessel.prt, right-click and select Ignore. Expand Tank Sub.asm in the component listing. Select the last multi-tank.prt in the listing. Right-click and select Ignore. Notice that the component listing in the Shrink Wrap Comps dialog box updates as shown. Click OK. Click Complete Feature from the Shrink Wrap dashboard. Notice that the component surfaces included in the Shrink Wrap feature are highlighted on the model as shown. In this task, we create copy geometry features in the piping scale.prt. In the ribbon, click Copy Geometry from the Get Data group. Click Publish Geometry Only to disable it. Right-click and select References. Enable Coordinate System Display. Zoom the assembly and select Port 4 on the vessel model as shown. Press Ctrl and select Port 3 on the vessel model as shown. Click Complete Feature from the Copy Geometry dashboard. Note: each copy geometry feature can only contain references from one model. To copy additional references from other models, you must create additional copy geometry features. In the ribbon, click Copy Geometry from the Get Data group. Click Publish Geometry Only to disable it. Right-click and select References. Zoom into the assembly and select Port 2 on the multi-tank model as shown. Press Ctrl and select Port 1 on the multi-tank model as shown. Click Complete Feature from the Copy Geometry dashboard. Expand the piping scale.prt in the model tree. Notice the shrink wrap and copy geometry features contained within the piping scale.prt in the model tree as shown. Hide components in the assembly. In the model tree, select base.prt. Press Ctrl and select vesselsub.asm and tanksub.asm. Right-click and select Hide. Notice that only the shrink wrap and copy geometry features are now displayed in the main graphics window as shown. This completes the demonstration.